Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you add the Instagram frame effect to your photos or videos in CapCut PC easily. So first you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, right? And I'm just going to change the aspect ratio 1 to 1 for Instagram feed and go to effect, select flood, and then scroll down to the final Insta, just add to the track, store this region the same line, and then you can select your video and crop your video. Select 1 to 1. Let's confirm, and you can merge it with the um, square lines. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.